Westinghouse, Edison, Tesla. Great American innovators whose names might well have been lost to history had it not been for their ability to protect their intellectual property rights. Innovation has long been at the heart of economic prosperity. Industries ranging from product and software development to the world of entertainment rely on intellectual property rights in order to prosper and grow. Increasingly, IP theft is becoming one of the greatest threats to innovation. It serves as a disincentive to companies looking to invest in pioneering ideas and inventions. In addition, it creates a black market where substandard products can pose significant danger to public health and safety. To combat this threat, law enforcement has undertaken numerous operations to bring those responsible for IP theft to justice. In fall 2012, the combined efforts of U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement's Homeland Security investigations and the Department of Justice resulted in the seizure of 686 websites selling counterfeit medicines as part of Operation Bitter Pill. This is the largest enforcement effort of its kind, where more than 100 countries were involved. In September of 2010, CBP discovered boxes containing 68 counterfeit airbags originating in China, en route to a Chattanooga, Tennessee address belonging to Dai Zhenzong. The seized airbags represented some of the many counterfeit versions that are sold online at a steep discount. The combined collaborative efforts of law enforcement were instrumental in dismantling Zhenzong's counterfeiting operation, which potentially put thousands of people at risk. Following an investigation, Dai Zhenzong was convicted for trafficking in counterfeit goods and sentenced to 37 months in prison. In late November 2012, HSI, working alongside law enforcement agencies in Belgium, Denmark, France, Romania, the United Kingdom, and the European Police Office, seized 249 domain names selling counterfeit merchandise. These seizures were part of Operation In Our Sights, which began in June 2012 and have since resulted in the seizure of more than 2,000 domain names attempting to sell counterfeit and pirated goods. In March 2012, officials successfully broke up 2 global counterfeiting schemes using undercover officers and court-authorized wiretaps. These resulted in 29 arrests for conspiring to circumvent federal border and port security measures at the Port Elizabeth Newark Marine Terminal in New Jersey. If not for the aggressive efforts of law enforcement, over $300 million of illicit goods would have been smuggled into the United States, helping fund criminal activity while harming consumers and the global economy. Following an investigation, Thomas Goodfellow, the owner of the Southwest Flea Market in Memphis, pleaded guilty to facilitating the sale of dozens of counterfeit Rolex watches. This investigation led officials to find an additional 75 containers, along with merchandise already being displayed in the market. Over 137,000 goods were processed, with a retail price of over $21.5 million. Businesses lose billions of dollars every year to IP theft while robbing the public of job growth and personal safety. Through determined and collaborative efforts, our law enforcement agencies have become champions of intellectual property protection.